Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on the Earn to Die Rogue game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Earn to Die Rogue game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you can click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. This will now open up the settings page, from which if you wish to delete your account, tap on Privacy and My Account. Here you will find the Delete Account option. If you tap on this, you will be asked that it is not possible to restore your account later, which means there is no 15 or 30-day period. If you are sure that you want to proceed, you can tap on the Delete Account button. Now, if you have not connected any of your accounts to sync your data online, then you can just clear your game data to start all the way from the beginning. To do this, long press on the Earn to Die Rogue game and then tap on the Info button. Now, from the app info page, tap on Force Stop and then stop the application. You can then go into Storage and then tap on Clear Data to clear all of the game data. By doing so, you can log out and clear all of your game progress if none of your online account is connected to your game. So there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Earn to Die Rogue game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.